Want to change your Tesla's temperature display from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa? It's a simple process built right into the car's software. This video will guide you through the steps, showing you how to customize your Tesla's display to your preferred unit of measurement. Whether you're more comfortable with degree F or degree Celsius, Tesla makes it easy to switch. First, on your Tesla's touchscreen, tap the Controls icon at the bottom of the screen. This opens the main control panel. Next, select Settings. Then select Vehicle. This takes you to the area where you can customize various vehicle functions, including units. Within the vehicle settings, scroll until you find the Units option. Tap on Units to access the Unit Customization menu. Here, you'll see options for various units of measure, including distance, pressure, and of course, temperature. Now we'll change the temperature unit in the Units menu. In the Units menu, locate the temperature setting. You'll see two options, Fahrenheit degrees F and Celsius degrees C. Simply tap your preferred unit to select it. For example, let's tap Celsius. The change is immediate, so you'll see the temperature display update instantly on your climate controls. And throughout the car's interface, like the dashboard display. After selecting your preferred temperature unit, double-check that the change has been applied across the car's systems. Look at the climate control display on the dashboard. Check the navigation system if it displays temperature. Verify in the Tesla mobile app, which should sync with your car's settings. Tesla's system may automatically detect your region and default to local standards, such as Celsius in Europe. However, you can always manually override this setting by following the steps we've covered. This ensures you're always seeing temperatures in your preferred unit, regardless of location. If your temperature unit doesn't update immediately, try restarting your Tesla's touchscreen by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black and reboots. Also, ensure your Tesla app is updated to the latest version for seamless syncing. Changing temperature units is just one small way to personalize your Tesla and make it truly yours. With its user-friendly interface, Tesla makes it easy to customize your driving experience to your preferences. Enjoy the comfort of seeing temperatures in the unit you understand best.